This is a place where you can actually earn $16 to $24 per hour transcribing. And the fact is about this is that it is in extreme demand. These are legitimate jobs that you can do from home, from anywhere in the world. Basically, if you can understand what I'm saying right now, you can do this job. I take these very seriously because I know there's a ton of people out there actually searching for jobs, actually searching for ways to make money online and to start working from home. What is crackalackin, my YouTube fam? I hope you guys are fantastic today, and I want to come to you guys today with a video on legitimate work from home jobs. If you want to work anywhere in the world, if you want to be able to work from Bali, if you want to be able to work from Costa Rica, if you love the snow and want to work from the mountains, these jobs are realistic and jobs that you can start virtually today and start making money from really wherever you want to work. I take these very seriously because I know there's a ton of people out there actually searching for jobs, actually searching for ways to make money online and to start working from home. And no, disclaimer guys, this is not one of those videos where you can make some money playing games, taking surveys, watching movies, doing stuff like that. Yes, you can make money those ways, but these are legitimate jobs that you can do from home, from anywhere in the world, where you can start making a full-time income with these. So really you can ditch the boss that is lecturing you in the office every day. So you can ditch the coworkers, so you can ditch the commute, and you can really just start working from home in your PJs, leaning back in bed, and in wherever part of the world you want to work. So without further ado, I want to show you guys what's going on today, how you can work from home, jobs that you can start doing today so you can stop that commute and stop having to see your ugly boss's face. So let's hop straight on into this right now. Number one is Transcriptionist. And yes, I will be real with you guys. This one is the first one that I'm kind of getting out of the way. It is not my favorite. It is a job that you can do full time that you can make a solid income with, but it is not exactly something to write home about. It is not exactly something that is extremely fun or extremely scalable. But this is something you can do in your spare time if you are a good listener and if you have what I like to call fancy fingers, where you can just type like a madman or madwoman. But this is something that provides an opportunity for people that can type fast, that can listen well, to make some extra money on the side and to make some money from home. A website I would really recommend you guys try out is Allegia's Transcription, as you can see right here. And this is a place where you can actually earn $16 to $24 per hour transcribing videos and transcribing music, whatever it may be based on that job. And the fact is about this is that it is in extreme demand. People are needing this service now more than ever, as the world is definitely becoming digital and definitely becoming more on the side of videos. People like videos. People lose attention when it comes to images. People want to be able to play videos as advertisements or even YouTube videos. And every time with advertisements, for instance, they are on mute. So when the video plays, when people are scrolling through their feed, it needs to be transcribed and have words with that video so people can read it, and then if they're interested, they can play it. Because obviously, if every single video on your feed automatically played sound, it would be a crapshoot. Let's not have that happen, so you can be able to make some serious money and have the opportunity to provide these services to people for a solid amount of money per hour. And of course, work from anywhere in the world, because that's what's most important for most people. And number two is teaching from home. If you are on this channel, you most likely speak English. If English isn't your first primary language, you still are smart enough and intelligent enough to be able to learn the language and figure it out. Like I've mentioned before, I'm not super blessed when it comes to learning new languages. Maybe I was never taught right. And I know the school systems aren't exactly amazing and the best things ever, even though you go to college, they still could be better. Like I said, I took 4 years of Spanish and it didn't exactly stick. Going to Mexico and speaking Spanish is not something I can really do. But there are people that are very blessed with that and they are able to learn English very well. But this is a way where you can teach people online. And don't underestimate this. This is a very valuable skill and a skill in demand. And it is especially easy if English is your first language. Basically, if you can understand what I'm saying right now, you can do this job. A great website to use is vipkid.com. And basically you can log in here and as it shows, set your own schedule, teach one-on-one. So you're not getting in front of a webcam in front of 30 little Chinese children. It is a one-on-one environment where you are teaching them and you're getting paid a great amount to teach this kid or this child English, or even this adult English. And how easy is that? You are teaching something you have known since birth. That is the only language, in most cases, you know, period. So it's not like you're lacking information or lacking knowledge about it. You know how to speak it and someone needs to learn how to speak it as well. As you can see here, there are a ton of teachers and a ton of students, a 7-to-1 student to teacher ratio, and they are teaching over 5 billion classes a month. So there's definitely demand. This is definitely something that you can do and not only get paid for, but you can also have that fulfillment in your life of that you are really changing someone's life by teaching them English. As in, English is spoken around the world by a ton of different countries. And if you can teach someone to speak that, you are really giving them a ton of opportunities in life and really putting their life on a new track. One of the coolest things is you do not have to create your own material. You do not have to create lesson plans and be able to think it all up. It is all provided for you. It is all there for you. And yes, the catch is you have to have a bachelor's degree and 1 year of experience for this. So if you are in this field and you are already doing this, this is a very easy way to take your skills, transfer out of that field where you're having to go and teach in person to teaching online to kids around the world. Another opportunity, another website you can do this with is studypool.com. And I'm right here on the page where you can become a tutor. And as you can see, the service fees are very low and you also get paid daily. And I know on here somewhere it claims and says that you can make up to $7,500 a month. As insane as that sounds, with this low cost fee and the ability to access a ton of people, you can definitely make a ton of money with this. As you can see, Henry here has made over $402,000 on this website. Robert has made over $321,000. Agenta has made over $253,000. I'm sure I botched that. Peach Black has made almost $160,000 on this website being a tutor and teaching. And of course, with this, you are not only teaching English, but there are also other languages that you can teach. So that gives opportunity to other people to be able to teach their language if they speak multiple languages or they don't even speak English and they're somehow listening to this video right now. Job number 3 is a really great one. And that one is for you to smash that like button if you have not already and hit that subscribe button. So in all seriousness, I would really appreciate that, guys. It helps me out a lot to be able to get these videos out to more people and at least to be able to show me that you guys are loving what I'm putting out, loving what I'm showing you, and loving the strategies that are coming to you guys 5 days per week. But really, number 3 is a virtual assistant. Within the US, the average rate that virtual assistants are getting is about $15 an hour. And that is a very solid amount considering minimum wage is a lot less than that, depending on where you live. But when you can work from home and make $15 an hour doing really a variety of tasks, that is a really, really fantastic thing. And with being a virtual assistant, there are a lot of different tasks you can be doing, from managing social media accounts to writing blogs to the opportunities for jobs and for tasks with a virtual assistant is absolutely endless. There are so many different things that go into being a virtual assistant and being able to help someone's business and help someone do certain things within their craft or their business. That can really give you a lot of opportunities to get into that niche and to be able to start making that good amount of money, because people will pay more for someone in the United States. First of all, they have to because of the cost of living, but at the same time, for some reason, when people are in the same area, when someone from the US is wanting to hire someone from the US, they trust them a little bit more. There is a little bit more connection with that kind of person compared to someone across the world in India, for example, or Japan, or whatever it may be. There's nothing wrong with those people. It's just sometimes people feel more trust and more connection with the people that are within their same country. You can also offer your services not only on websites like Fiverr and Upwork, but you can also reach out to people on their platforms, whether it's YouTube or Instagram, and see if they need help and see if that's something you can help them with. So number 4 is a freelance writer. And with this specific topic, a really great way to get into this niche and get into this work from home job is within the gaming industry, specifically with a website called GameU Nation. And basically what they are asking you to do, what they are having you do is write articles on specific things. Specific things like gaming issues, gaming reviews, gaming news, gaming play guides, and tutorial guides. And the reason I am suggesting this website and suggesting this is a viable way to make money specifically with freelance writing. And of course, there's tons of ways you can make money and tons of websites you can make money with freelance writing. But specifically this niche and this website is GameUnation pays 70% of the revenue generated from that article back to you. You get paid 70% of the revenue from, like I said, that article being posted, that news review, that gaming review, that gaming issue, whatever it may be, you get 70% of that article's revenue. And another amazing thing about this is that this website, not only, like I said, pays 70%, but they also get over 500,000 views per month on this website. So that is a ton of consistent traffic to your articles, consistent revenue, and consistent jobs being generated through this GameUnation website. So even if you do not know a ton about gaming or even a gamer at all, you don't have to be a gamer to be able to write about this stuff. You can do your research, learn up, study up, and be able to still take these contracts and take these jobs and write these articles about the things they're asking you to write about, and be able to take advantage of the 70% payout that they give, along with the 500,000 plus visitors every single month to this website, which they will be seeing your articles and they will be generating ad revenue on these articles. And for those people that say,
screw that, Rhett, I do not like games, do not know anything about them, and do not want to learn about them,
another opportunity and another alternative to that is Cicada Magazine, where you get paid 25 cents per word, which is, that's a freaking a quarter per word. That really adds up fast. When you write a 9,000 word essay, 9,000 word post, 9,000 word blog or article, you can get paid $2,250 for one single article. Guys, it is 25 cents per word. That is wild. And Cicada Magazine gives you that opportunity to write for a variety of different niches, different topics, and different industries compared to only being in the gaming industry. Another website you might want to check out also is eastoftheweb.com, and that is just another place where you can start writing articles, news blogs, news posts about certain topics to start earning money and becoming a freelance writer from, again, anywhere in the world. As you can see here, we can write short stories, word games, and interactive. So we can come in here to the short stories and we can see exactly what we can write and what the opportunities are to become a writer on eastoftheweb.com. And the cool thing about this website is there are so many different categories and niches that you can write in, from kids to sports to movies to whatever you really think that might fit within your realm of writing. You can really get in here and start making all kinds of different stories and posts about these certain topics and really get paid a solid amount of money. And of course, with any of these, if you're like, hey, Rhett, I don't want to do this, you can actually hire someone at a cheaper cost to write this stuff for you, where you can get paid, say you're getting paid 25 cents on the last website we talked about per word, you can pay someone 5 cents per word or 10 cents per word and pocket the difference. And the last work from home job that you could take advantage of today and start being able to stop the commute, stop the long drive, stop having to deal with your coworkers and boss would be phone sales, as in high ticket phone sales closer. The cool thing about this is when you get with someone, when you get with an entrepreneur, when you get with a YouTuber, is they will already have a proven script for you. They will train you and they will show you what to talk about, how to talk to people, and how to get them closed. Because think of it from their mind. They do not want to just send someone in there to do what they want to do. They want to have a proven system, a proven script, and a proven plan to where the closing ability, the closing percentages of their closers, you, are going to be higher than they would on their own. And of course, as you get going, as you start doing this more and become more experienced, you can start customizing it. You can customize a script, throw in some things, throw in some personal things, personal experiences from within the script to increase your sales closing ability. You get paid a small salary, but the majority of your earnings are going to be coming from commissions on actually closing the sale. And a question you might have is, how are we able to break into this niche and be able to find someone that we can actually do phone sales for? And the best way to do this is, again, lead with giving hand. Offer to do this for for free. Offer to do this for a very, very small commission. Offer to just help someone out. Reach out to big YouTubers, big Instagram influencers. Reach out to people with larger websites. Even these giant companies need these kinds of people. But I would specifically for you guys would reach out to YouTubers, reach out to people that have a product and that need someone to work for them, work for free for a little bit to prove themselves. There's nothing that speaks more to that person is for someone's coming to them and saying, hey, I really, really, really want to get into this. I really respect you. I want to be able to learn from you, but I also want to be able to be a phone closer for you, be someone that can work under your wing and close these sales for you and get paid commissions. But right now, I just want to work for free. I do not want to come in and ask anything of you. I want to prove myself and I want to show my worth. And that will speak volumes to them, and they will say, why wouldn't they say yes? Unless they literally just have no room. But really, why would they say no? Because you're doing it for free at first to prove yourself, to prove that you're good, to prove that you can do this, and at least to prove that you can learn. I wanted to come to you guys with some jobs that you can actually do from home that are real jobs, jobs that you can make some serious amount of money, where you can stop having to commute, stop having to drive to work, stop having to talk to the boss and do all of those different things that you really don't want to do with, where you would rather just be able to do all of this stuff from home or from a hotel, from the beach, from wherever your heart desires. And the internet brings that possibility to all of us. So I wanted to show you guys some different ways to do that so you can start taking advantage of that today and be able to start living life in a little bit more comfortable spot, 8 hours a day or however long you work. So if you enjoy that, guys, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button, subscribe down low, and ring that little bell so you're always up to date, so you can stay in the loop with all the best practices, all the best ways to earn money online, jobs to work from home, and ways and how to grow your Amazon business. Until next time, guys, I will catch you later.